Hi, I'm Christina Holzweiss, and I'm an EdTech librarian, and I just love wearing library clothes. As you can see here, this is a shirt that I bought from Svaha that has library cards on it. So I decided, why don't I make my own fabric? So I have this logo that I created on Canva, and it says, libraries give voice to the voiceless, power to the powerless, and hope to the hopeless. And so I went on Zazzle, and I've been designing some tote bags and face masks. Well, I decided I'm going to treat myself to some fabric. So I designed my own fabric. And so here is about a yard of my fabric. So you can make the tiles go across like a stripe, or you could have them blocked like this. I like this because I think it's a really neat pattern. So from far away, it looks like a nice pattern, but when you get close up, you can read it. So it's just enough, I think I can make a skirt out of it. You can make lots of things out of it, but I think it's really awesome. You can create your own bitmoji fabric. You can create your children's artwork fabric, whatever you can think of. I highly suggest that you create a design that is a square, so it fits nicely on the tile. And there you go. This was a piece of, it's cotton prima, and it was about $24. And I think I'm really excited about this. So again, here is the fabric I created through Zazzle. Enjoy!